No more. Let's do this. We're gonna do more DIY. Actually, that is one of two things that I have to do this year, 2023, to change about myself. First, more exercise. And then, more DIY. So let's do this. You see, today we are doing instant video cassettes. What's going on? This is Hector from MacFan PR, and we're gonna start doing some more DIY this year. Yes, I've been lagging, I've been procrastinating, and the fact is actually we're gonna stop that. I have a confession to make. It's just laziness. Laziness. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start. We're not gonna stop. And we're gonna do more videos for you. We have 45 days, actually less than that, to do a personal challenge that I have with a company called Think Media. And I will thank them because they help me grow as a content creator. Even though I'm not exactly completely embedded in it, but let's see how it goes. You're gonna help me by remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe. So let's get to the video because we're gonna start working on that iPhone 7 Plus. Remember the battery? Yes, let's do this right now. Okay, Hector, right now. Now. Here we're gonna present everything that we're gonna use in this DIY, including the battery replacement and all the toolbox that came with it. It's actually from a company called iFixit. I don't have communications with them directly, but I just wanted to show you what we use, not only on this video, but also on all the DIYs that I do across this channel. Here we have the iPhone 7 Plus that we're going to work today. Also, we're going to show the toolkit that comes with its package and obviously the battery replacement. It also comes with a weather strip in order to make sure that we do this not only the right way but also more presentable for water resistance. Now let me tell you this. Let's go ahead and put some boundaries. This is as a caution. This is only for entertainment purposes only. I am not an expert. Remember my first name for this channel? MacFan, not an expert. I still am. So I'm still learning and working to learn more and help grow people who wants to do the same thing as me. So with that said, as a caution, this is only for entertainment purposes only. I try not to this to be a tutorial because there are many tutorials in the YouTube universe that allow you to do all this. But the fact is actually I haven't done this myself, so let's see what I have learned. And we're gonna use the same company's website that brought me to these repair kits. That way we can do this the right way. They have actually tutorials on this that you can follow yourself. They are not sponsoring this video. This is through my own money, my own self. But I suggest you to go there and actually maybe help me say, hey, MacFan PR is helping us with your kids. Maybe. Here is the page for iFixit where it shows how to do this do-it-yourself process is kind of complicated, so that's what I'm saying, that in this case we wanted to make sure to put boundaries in regards to what we're going to show, because this is not meant to actually be a tutorial, because as you can see there's multiple tutorials on the web and on YouTube as well in regards to this kind of process. I don't have actually this kind of information or this kind of service. Most of the items I have it, except that heat paste that you saw at first. That one we're gonna replace it with a heat gun that my beloved son provided to me in order to make sure to remove safely the screen and the digitizer from the unit, and it goes like that. And this is one of the things that we found out, that we have to make sure to do it right. So guess what? We're gonna actually stop. And here we're gonna stop. Guess what? As you may see on my community posts, I actually post a poll or a survey to check with you guys if you wanted to see this whole process live. So we decided to do this live this coming Saturday, the 18th, on our Spanglish live session. So stay tuned, because we're gonna continue the process here. I just removed some of the things on the phone, but we're gonna continue there. So stay tuned to MacFanPR Spanglish live today, because it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be kind of long, so stay prepared, because we're gonna be here 3:30 p.m. Mountain Time, 6:30 p.m. Puerto Rico and Standard Time. So be sure to connect. Remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe to MacFanPR. We'll see you there. Peace.